Good morning, class. I am Dr. Omolasho. I will be taking you through the first part of the gastrointestinal physiology. Other lecturers will later join this class. Once again, you are welcome. Today, we shall take a look at the basic anatomy of the gastrointestinal system and also look at the major functions of the gastrointestinal system. Anatomy consideration of the gastrointestinal system. The gastrointestinal system is a hollow tube that opens at both ends to the external environment. It's about 5.5 meter long. That's about 30 feet. The gastrointestinal tract could also be seen or described as a long tube through which the food travels. It runs from the mouth down to the anus. It comprises of major and helpful accessory components. The major components are the mouth, the pharynx, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, rectum, and the anal canal. I go over it again. The mouth, otherwise known as buccal cavity, the pharynx. The pharynx is tucked there between the mouth and the beginning of the esophagus. The pharynx is actually like a corridor that opens to different rooms. It opens to the esophagus, it opens to the airway, that's the windpipe, the airway. It also opens to the nasal cavity. It opens also to the buccal cavity. After the pharynx is the esophagus. This is the esophagus. After the esophagus is the stomach. That's the stomach. Then that's followed by the small intestine. The small intestine is made up of the duodenum, jejunum, and the ileum. This is where the ileum ends at the ileocecal junction. Then that's followed by the large intestine. The large intestine is made up of the ascending colon, transverse colon, and the descending colon. After the descending colon is the rectum, and the last but not the least is the anus, otherwise known as anal canal. Okay, the accessory components, don't forget I said the accessory components are helpful components that assist the major components in carrying out their roles. Number one, teeth, the tongue, that's the tongue there. The tongue is a large muscle that lines the floor of the buccal cavity. The salivary glands. There are three major salivary glands: the parotid, the sublingual, and the submandibular. The parotid is close there to the ear. The sublingual gland is under the tongue. The submandibular gland is beneath the mandible. These three glands secrete what is we call saliva. The saliva helps in lubrication of food for the ease of digestion and also what swallowing. It also contains a major digestive enzyme known as the salivary amylase that helps in the breaking down of large carbohydrate chain into smaller what or simple what sugars. After the salivary gland is the pancreas. That's the pancreas here. That's the pancreas. Followed by the liver, and then the gallbladder stuck beneath the liver. All right. The major functions of the GIT are listed as shown on this slide. Number one is ingestion. Ingestion involves the taking in of food into the tracts or into the system. Number two is secretion. It's a process by which the gastrointestinal tract secretes several juices containing enzymes that helps in digestion. Number three, motility. Motility involves the movement of the gastrointestinal tract that moves its contents from one region to the other at a rate that allows for optimum digestion and absorption. Number four, digestion. Breaking down of food into smaller what fragments. Number six, absorption. That's the process by which nutrients are pulled into the bloodstream from the gastrointestinal tract. The last but not the least is excretion. Is the process by which waste products are removed from the tracts. We will stop here today. Next class when we meet, we shall be talking about the layers of the gastrointestinal tract and the nervous control of the gastrointestinal tracts. In case you have any question, feel free to address them to me on this platform, and you can be sure I'm going to give a prompt response. Once again, I thank you. God bless you.